Well, Dad bought a backhoe yesterday. We decided it was time to upgrade. The one we had is getting a little tired. We're having lots of little problems. It's never started good in the cold. Doesn't have a good cab for pushing snow and stuff in the winter. So this is what we bought, a Case 590 Super N. That's not a perfect backhoe, but it's in pretty good shape, other than we're gonna have to repaint the hood a little bit. But this is my first time climbing up in the cab, actually. Dad's been running it this morning. Man, this is fancy compared to the old one. Yeah, I like it. Real question is, who's gonna be the first one of us to get it stuck? Probably Dad, but somehow it'll end up being me. I only say probably Dad because he's the one that runs the backhoe most often. It also means he'll be the most skilled at it. So when I get in it, who knows what might happen.